Just got in at Uber with 100 shares, always starting small, building the position to give myself enough space to play with the level. The best scenario, as I talked about in the pre-market, for me is just if you could drop down to the 73 and then I'll add more to the position. That will be the best case scenario for me on Uber. If not, if we will start rising from here, then I'll continue to add. As you can see, intraday, we have this resistance at 78.44.
I tried that twice at 77.25.
Still waiting for it to reach 70, around this resistance at 78.50.
I'm going to try and get into this, and remember, it is front side. This is, you know, these stocks are very dangerous front side to trade. But if you are going to take a look, I would want to know that this stock can come back from where it is now. So this is what's happening when we generally down here we had this buyer's liquidity pool hold.
Acknowledging that benchmark 1 doesn't necessarily mean it doesn't want benchmark 2 up there at $5 at the moment. So we'll see how far down we can get and see if we can hold 230 to $2, or if it just wants to carry on. I'm literally in at the halt price. Well, a little bit of slippage there then, because I thought I was in at about 3. I'm in at 361 on MGIH, so this is an important resume for me. But I'm hoping this will crack on up to 5. It's coming back here, so I'm hoping for this level to hold now in order for us to push to 5.
You got 5?
Yep. Yeah.
Nice.
Sorry, Tim.
Bring the money. Let's go.
So I had this drawn in, right? It was either going to come to sell side liquidity. If it doesn't come to sell side liquidity and it's coming to the backside of the previous buy zone, it doesn't need it for me. So it can continue down to its benchmark. It's now paused in its buy side liquidity pool. But you can see earlier there, that was a clear FOMO entry, right? I saw that benchmark, that buyer's hold liquidity level break here. And this down here was a FOMO entry. Like, as soon as I'd hit the button, I'm like, no, I shouldn't be in this. Wait. So I literally cut it there. And then I come in. As soon as it got that backside there, see that in there? As soon as it started working out of that, that's when I kind of started hitting the button. And then as it's getting in my favor, I added a few more and took it out as soon as it entered this buy side liquidity pool, because you never know what it's going to do. Just going to go back and grab some more.
And NVDA continued to move up, just reached resistance and intraday resistance, but I cannot short it. I mean, that's too aggressive even for me. Actually playing with the level that we talked about at around 723. Again, still within my risk parameters, so that's fine, as long as I'm not risking more than what I planned from the beginning. Okay, pulling a nice trade, NVIDIA, before it's dropping down, Yeah. That's a good place to start taking some partials out, right?
Yeah.
Almost 2000. Yeah, I just took another 50 out because that was a crazy run, a new high. Might be pushing down from here. High volume coming in. You can see it over here as well. High volume coming in at the top of the range. That's a great indication that a lot of momentum switching hand between buyers and sellers.